Hello. Pull. Oh. Ooh. Yeah.
Good day. I'm Arbex Asael Aries from BTVT Ed major in Agricultural Crops Production in Bataan Peninsula State University in Nabukay Campus. Now, I'm going to discuss the 5 process of listening skills. The first process is the hearing. Hearing is when sound waves enter our ear or our hearing mechanism. It is also something that a person hears from the sender or the one that he's talking or she's talking to. The other factor is attending. It is when an individual is trying to focus on one subject or one that he or she can hear. For example, I am talking to you and there is a child who is crying in the side. I only try to focus to you and then just ignore the crying baby. The third one is understanding. Understanding is when the receiver is trying to figure out what is the sender is trying to say. For example, I am listening to a math class. In order for me to realize or to find the answer for a problem, I have to understand first the subject that my teacher is teaching. The fourth one is remembering. Remembering is when you're trying to store the information that you gathered from the sender or the one that you're talking to. It can be done by repetition, trying to make your own explanation for it, or watching or listening to it over and over again. It is an act when you're sending back to the sender the information that you gathered. And the last factor is responding. Responding is when you're trying to make your own meaning and saying it back to the first person. It can be done verbal or non-verbal. Overall, the ability to listen is crucial for good communication. In a lecture setting or classroom, listening can improve learning and activity of the mind of a person. Also, listening to the people who's talking is a way to respect them. So, we can create a good and better communication. Thank you.